In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take an on-demand backup in Cloudways. If you manage websites, client projects, or online stores, this is one of those essential habits you never want to skip. Before you update a plugin, change theme files, edit custom code, or make major design adjustments, it's smart to create a backup first. That way, if anything goes wrong, you have a restore point ready, and you can recover quickly without unnecessary stress. One of the nice things about Cloudways is that it makes this process much easier than doing everything manually. Instead of exporting databases and downloading large website files yourself, you can create an on-demand backup directly from the dashboard in just a few clicks. Before we begin, it helps to understand that Cloudways offers two types of on-demand backups. The first is an application level backup. This is best when you want to protect a single website or app before making changes. The second is a server level backup, which is useful when you want to back up everything on the server at once, including all hosted applications. Let's start with the most common option, which is an application level backup. First, log into your Cloudways platform and open the Applications area from the top menu. From there, select the website or application you want to protect. Once you're inside that application, go to the left-hand menu and click Backup and Restore. In the main panel, look for the Backup section and click Take Backup Now. Cloudways will begin creating the backup in the background. Depending on the size of your site, this usually takes a few minutes, so give it a moment to finish. If you need to back up the entire server instead, go back to the top navigation and open the server section. Choose the server you want to work with, then click Backups from the left side menu. Scroll until you find the on-demand backup area and click Take Backup Now. This creates a server-level snapshot, which is especially helpful before larger server changes or maintenance. There's also an optional setting for local backups. In the same server backup section, find the Local Backups toggle, switch it on, and save your changes. With this enabled, Cloudways will also store a local copy on the server whenever a backup runs. That can be useful if you plan to connect through SFTP or SSH later and download the backup archive manually. Finally, take a moment to confirm everything completed successfully. In the Backup and Restore area, check the last backup date and make sure the newest restore point appears in the available backup list. This quick verification helps you confirm that your backup is ready before you move on with updates or site changes. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.